All right, hi everyone. This is just going to be a quick demo of how to insert a table of contents into your Purdue papers. This is really a great tool, great feature. It helps you to navigate through your papers much more quickly if you need to do any updates or corrections or editing, and it also assists with special needs software for anyone who might have the text read to them. They can get through the paper a little bit faster as well. So if I wanted to add a table of contents to this document, I would simply go to References. And now I'm on a Mac, but this is Word from Mac, so the settings for Mac and PC, at least in this context, should be similar. You would simply go to the References section and Table of Contents right there. Classic version is what we want. Notice it's all based on headings, okay? And if I were to select that right now, it's going to give me a warning that says, or an error message that says, if you're trying to create this, there are no entries that can be found because basically I just did this with formatting, not with actual style for headings and so forth. So it's not going to be able to create a table of contents for me. So what I need to do is I'm going to back out of this and I'm going to go back to the Home tab, and I'm going to notice that all of the headings are right here. And it's basically headings 1 and 2 that I'm going to be concerned with. We know we're doing APA 6th edition style. If I want to check and see what those headings should look like, I can navigate over here in a browser, and I can go to the Purdue OWL Online Writing Lab and scroll down, and I'll just show you from the main page from the OWL library. You'll see over here, Most Popular Resources, APA Formatting Style Guide. Simply scroll down to where it mentions APA headings and seriation. Select that, and you'll see it gives a breakdown of the current APA 6th edition levels. And level 1 and level 2 are what we're talking about. Centered, boldface, uppercase for level 1. Left aligned, boldface, upper and lowercase for level 2. So just quick example. If I'm on a PC, I'm going to right click. If I'm on a Mac, I'm going to hit Control on the mouse pad. I can come down to Modify for heading 1. And a quick way to select the right font, we're using Times New Roman 12. So over here, Web, down to Times New Roman. We know it's bold. Okay. The font size is 12. I'm going to change the color from blue to black. And we know that the heading 1 is centered and double spaced. I will select OK. And then heading 2, same thing. I will select Modify. And Times New Roman is bold. It is also font size 12. Color is black. This is left aligned, but it is double spaced. And I will select OK. So in this case, I want this item here to be heading 1. This guy is going to be heading 2. And I'm basically going to go through and find all of the ones, and I'm just simply putting the cursor right there. Heading 2. Everything that should be a heading 2, I am changing. And again, this, you'll see here in just a second that this is going to be very beneficial when it comes to getting through your papers. So if you do this going forward, any edits or corrections, anything that you get, and of course references, heading 2. So now I can go back to the beginning of the document. All right. Usually you'll have a title page and then table of contents, but in this case, this is just an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a page break right here at the beginning, just to move this down to give me this page free, where I can then go back into References and insert table of contents. Now notice, now we get the table of contents, and it has all of the headings that we just listed. And the great thing is you can click in this table of contents and it will take you directly to whatever section you wanted to click on. If we want to jump all the way down to page 10 and look at performance objectives, we simply click that, and there we are. So just a quick tutorial on how to insert table of contents in your documents going forward. Highly recommend it. Thanks, guys.